Hey everyone, it's Carrie over at DoubleClick. Welcome back to my craft room. Today is the announcement for our Halloween Season 2 Ghouls Just Wanna Have Fun swap, hosted by Sharon over at From Cheap to Chic and myself. Sharon's channel will be listed down below, along with all of the requirements to join in on our swap. This is a one-on-one swap. You will be matched with a swap partner. You will exchange information, follow the swap requirements, and send it directly to each other. This is for US only, unless we receive international requests from two people that we can match up in the same area. Otherwise, it's going to be US only, and that is due to the international shipping rates. The swap requirements are, this is a Halloween swap, so it does have to be Halloween themed. It doesn't have to be the spooky, creepy Halloween. It can be the cute and fun one, but it does have to be Halloween. You must be able to post a YouTube video or photos on your Instagram of your outgoing and incoming swap package. Please tag myself, Carrie, at DoubleClick Connect, and Sharon at From Cheap to Chic. The requirements for the actual swap entry is to create an envelope flipbook with a minimum of 3 envelopes. There are YouTube videos on how to create an envelope flipbook. You can make your own envelopes or you can alter existing envelopes. Inside each of the 3 envelopes, you have to have at least 3 die cuts per envelope. Let me show you an example of some of the die cuts that I made. These are some skeletons that I made. I just added some bows and some little charms on the tops of the bows. And I've also created embellishments like these. They have lots of layers and bling, and these are ready to go. You should be including at least 3 die cuts per envelope. You also have to include 2 ticket embellishments. I will insert a photo of the ticket embellishment that I made last year. You can use pre-made tickets and put them into a Halloween theme. You can also make your own tickets. Or if you have absolutely no tickets or no way to make the ticket, you can send a message to myself or to Sharon and we will send you out some blank tickets. This is the ticket die that I usually use. It's just the perfect size. I also picked this one up. I ordered this about a year ago and it randomly showed up. It went missing and then it showed up. So this is another ticket die style. This was in an old ephemera pack. If you have a stamped one, you can cut that out. I also have a little punch that makes the little ticket corners. 2 ticket embellishments, ATC or an MDC. You should get up with your swap partner on this once you find out who you're swapping with and find out if they have a preference. A crafty container filled with Halloween bits and bobs. This is a Halloween themed swap, so everything should be Halloween themed. By a crafty container, you could do an embellishment box if you would like, or you can get a pre-made box. Someone handmade me this little box right here. I also have one of these beaker that could be used, a large die that makes this large bakery box. It's your choice on what kind of box you would like to send to your swap partner, but it should be filled with lots of little beads, gems, bits and bobs, all Halloween related. A Halloween sweet treat, a Halloween crafty goodie, and this is your choice. You could send your swap partner stickers, a die, anything that's Halloween crafty related. The last item is a handmade crafter's choice. You can make anything that you would like. You can make a tag flipbook. You could make a pocket letter. You can send rosettes, a dangle, anything that you would like that you think your swap partner would like. The signups will be until September 2nd. You can email or direct message myself or Sharon. Partners will be announced on September 5th, and you must mail your packages by October 13th. All the details will be listed down below, and please contact myself or Sharon with any questions. That is the announcement for our Ghouls Just Want to Have Fun Season 2 Halloween swap. Real quick, the swap requirements: it has to be Halloween themed, post outgoing and incoming on YouTube or Instagram, tag myself and Sharon at From Cheap to Chic. You must create an envelope flip book with a minimum of 3 envelopes and include at least 3 die cuts per envelope, 2 ticket embellishments, an ATC or MDC, a crafty container filled with Halloween bits and bobs, a Halloween sweet treat, a Halloween crafty goodie, and a handmade crafter's choice. I hope you guys will be joining in on this swap. We had so much fun last season, and I am really looking forward to seeing everybody swap entries and a very spooky Halloween season. I thank you guys so much for stopping by, and have a great day. Bye, guys.